back. We are back. Hey, check it. The cheapest turbo kit that you ever gonna lay your hands on. Right here. Check it out. Log manifold with the driver side manifold. T4 flange. You got the spot for your regular old O2 sensor or any other thing. Crossover pipe. Brand new. Spot for your wastegate. The wastegate is here. I think it's a 33. So it's 33. Got all your gaskets, mounting flanges, fire ring. Very important to have when you're dealing with turbo stuff. Yeah, right there. Feed line with the plate that mounts on the side of your engine, with the gaskets, with all the bolts. As you can see, all this stuff is still brand new, never been mounted. Though the most important thing that we want is that turbo. We want to hear that, right? Go ahead and get this brand new kit. All of this, every bit of this, 20 bucks. 20 bucks. How can you go wrong? My t-shirt man hooking it up. So what we're gonna need you to do, 1 through 100, pick you a number, 20 bucks a number, send your $20 donation to that Cash App. This will be given away live, a live stream, no cuts. It's gonna be live, and whoever wins it, it's going to them. Now, as far as us shipping it to, I guess we'll ship it. Okay, we're gonna ship it. So whoever wins it, if you're in Kalamazoo, you're gonna get shipped to you. 20 bucks, man. Brand new log manifold. Now, then these cast manifolds are great because I use them all the time. Actually, this is what I used on several vehicles. Crossover tube, stainless, welded, wastegate. I want to say this is a GT35 T4 flange as well. These are all important things to know. You got your V-bands, and like I said, the piping there. 20 bucks. 20, man, how can you go wrong getting this, all for a $20 donation? How can you? I don't see you going wrong. So pick a number 1 through 100. Send it all your donation over to the Cash App, your name, number, and we'll make sure that somebody's gonna get this. The sooner we get through 1 through 100, the sooner that you can get your turbo kit. The sooner you get your number, the sooner you get your turbo kit with the turbo. Don't miss out on your opportunity to get this turbo kit. 20 bucks. It's got your log manifold, T4 flange. It's got your driver side manifold. It's got your wastegate. It's got fire rings. It's got your mounting hardware. It's got your gaskets. It's got your turbo, brand new. All brand new crossover pipe. It got all your V-band clamps. It's got your feed tube and all accessories. It's got it all. You will need an intercooler.